Dear friends, now we are going to see how to draw flowchart or any other diagram using lucidchart.com. For that, you have to type lucidchart.com in the address bar. It will take you and press enter. It will take you to the lucidchart.com site. So you can log in with your Google credentials. Click login. So you can use any one of your login credentials. When you are first logging, it will ask you some basic information about you. Based on your response, it will suggest you various drawings. So we can choose that education industry, and whatever your field of interest, you can choose accordingly. For the demonstration purpose, I choose flowchart, but it will not only limit to flowchart, it will show all the things, and it will ask only during the first time login. And the subsequent logins, you won't get this dialog boxes and all. Okay, or if you want, you can skip these steps also. If you want, you can skip these steps. Okay, and it will go into the Lucidchart dashboard. Okay, so now choose create a blank document to start your own drawing. It will take you to the another screen. So wait for a few seconds, it will open. Okay, so this display dashboard will more or less look like the draw.io, but here we had some additional features also. You can see, you can try it on your own. So I am closing all the unwanted and other things. So like the previous drawio.com, you can save, you can set the page sizes. First let me choose a A1 and a portrait. Okay, so this for the demonstration purpose, I am going to draw the same drawing what we did in the previous demonstration. Okay, so you can go for the flowchart symbols. Here you can see the things. Okay, basic recommend, the other symbols also showed here. Okay, okay, so it is not only flowchart. You can go for some other diagrams also, like Venn diagrams or whatever the diagrams you can go. Okay, so first let us demonstrate the flowchart creation. So this is now we are going to do the same exercise. So you can change the color of the things, the text colors, it will be, and text sizes, all those things you can change. Okay, suppose you want to change the dimension size, and you want to change, say before that we'll change the color of the text. Okay, short, and you can do on the things. Okay, and from that we have to go for the second step, input number. Okay, data, to click and drag to bring into the display area. Okay, so double click for change the text. Input number. Okay, if you want, you can increase the size of the display. Input number. Okay, and you can click and drag to see it there in the straight line. Okay, so for here you can, as shown in the previous diagram, you can fill it with some other color, and you can change the text color, and you can increase the font size, and bold, and if you want you can draw the arrow mark also, or simply click this point and you can click this point, it will draw automatically. You need not choose any drawing symbols. If you want to increase the size, you can increase the size of the arrow and size of the lines and all. Okay, and then next decision, whether the number is divisible by 2. Number divided by 2 is equal to 0, and the number divided by 2 is equal to 0. Yes. Now you can draw the arrow mark with these two lines, and you can change its thickness also. Okay, or you can select all the things and you can change all the lines into same size. That is also another way of uniformity maintaining the drawing. Okay, so when the decision making boxes come, it will go for yes on one side and no on the other side. So it is very easy tool. You can change, you can drag this also into their record position. Okay, so like that you have to complete the drawing, the entire drawing. So just for demonstration purpose I will stop here. Once your drawing is complete, you can export it into the record format, PNG, PDF, JPG. These are the various methods available, and also you can import the drawings created in the other softwares also. Like these are the various softwares. You can see that the draw.io diagrams also can be imported into this file. So not images, the project files. So if you save this project, it will save as a project file. This project file can be imported into the other softwares, but this is different. Exporting the drawing is different, saving the project is different. Okay, so and we have other options also. Say for, let me convert this into PDF. So these are the PDF, and you can download the PDF document. So it will generate the file and the process complete, and it will download it into the default download folder, and when you are enabled to auto open, the PDF file is open automatically. Okay, this is the PDF file created from this one. So you can increase this text size and all, that is all possible, and you can export into image also. So PNG image, so download, it will go to the default folder. Okay, and if you are not only looking for this flowchart and you are looking for some other time, you can go for say for example, if I want to go for Venn diagram, even circuit diagrams, various circuits and flow charts, layout diagrams. Okay, so this is for computer people, server rack diagrams, and all the things. Many options are available. You have to explore the full. Okay, so that is what we have for today's session. Thank you. You keep practice. These Draw.io and Lucid charts are more or less similar tools used for creating charts and other diagrams. As a technical teachers, we need these type of softwares for our teaching. So for the practice purpose, choose any one of the drawing and practice in these two softwares. Okay, thank you.